Women Sri Rangba Kajalau Konrad K Samaulapan Pawi ke jingkyrshan ke barat bai ke Women Reservation Bill ke barat tiap rukum kanari Shakti Vandhan Adhiniyam da ke bakhod ya ka kum ke jingkelai ke sensyar pajba ke bala saat teng las lambha. Ke kunhun menteri jong ke Meghalaya ke lapor yang semua bahai ke ni ke senjam da ke boong bahkan penkiwi ke jingadon benta jo ki kynthei ke parlimen berkiying dor batawan jong ke jelaru. Wada pernah kijing penbait ki bala ban mi haki bai day bot uput ne delimitation.
Demand, a long pending issue, and this is something that should have been done a long time back. But we must give credit to Honorable Prime Minister for this bold step and the bold decision that he has taken. There will always be critics, there will always be people who will argue in different ways. But if you look at the larger section of society and the larger impact that it will have on democratic representation, which, as we have seen, whether it's Meghalaya state or even in the parliament, that the representation of women is not as at the level that it should be. This will be a very, very important democratic reform and will allow representation of women at the top level to be able to take decisions which will help overall the society and women, especially at large. And it's, as I said, it's a very positive decision. We as a government and as a political party, the National People's Party, we completely support this decision. We are very, very happy with this decision. And at every level, whatever is required, we will support it. And at the same time, I urge that all political parties, all organizations across society must support a positive reform like this, as it will be in the larger interest of the state and the country as a whole.